Hey, this is Matt Witmer from Broudy Precision. In this video, we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to take a step back from the normal technical talk and show you how to do things and show you how you can get the most out of us at the technical support engineering department at Broudy Precision. So let's jump into a little slideshow put together and show you what I'm talking about. All right, so the first thing is BP Tech Center. If you haven't signed up for BP Tech Center already, you're missing out. All you have to do is go to bptechcenter.com, sign up for an account, just use your company email address, and you'll automatically get access to all of the brands that your company buys from us at Broudy. If you aren't a Broudy customer, you'll get access. You'll just get very basic access to resources that we've put together, videos, things like that. If you want more access, buy more products from us, and you'll get access. On that website, we have the latest software downloads, the latest announcements on things, and like I mentioned, the latest videos that we're putting together here and that you can also find on our YouTube channel. And for technical support, we always like to recommend that people actually use our general engineering group contact information instead of individual contact informations. So that's the tsupport@broudyprecision.com email address, and that's the 484-243-6334 phone number. The reason we like to suggest that you use those is because people go on vacation, people might not be in the office for the day. These numbers ring out to everyone. The email address goes out to everyone. The person who's available will pick up, and there's always going to be someone working in our tech support engineering department to answer your call. The other thing that we'd like to make note of is our tsupport email goes to a Zendesk ticketing system. You might think we're doing some shady stuff there, but we're not. It's all the same people that are responding and picking up the phone. It's just that the ticketing system lets us keep better track of who's working on a specific issue for someone and relate current tickets to older ones and reference older ones for, an issue that maybe has come up in the past that we can very quickly find you an answer for. And just a quick look at, why we like to use that Zendesk ticketing system. You can see this is just our recently updated ticket. So you can see if you look at the dates, this is just today, yesterday, day before, all the tickets and things that have been coming in that we're working on, what's pending, so waiting for a response from a customer, what's open that we have to work on still, and what's been solved already by us. So that this is sort of a good example of why we like to use the Zendesk system. Another thing that not only helps us, but will also help you is if you copy and paste any long pieces of text as text instead of doing a screenshot. So if you've got a host ID, don't screenshot it, copy and paste it as text, send it to us. This is super helpful if you're sending us something where you need the license change maybe after hours. If you send it to us as a image and we're not in the office or we're not at our computer, we only have access to our phone, it's really difficult for us to pull that host ID out of the image and put it in the right places on Niagara Central to get that host ID done. If you send us just the text, we can very easily copy it out of the email, go to Niagara Central, paste it in, copy that or move that license over for you, no problem at all. So copy paste as text whenever possible. Now, obviously, screenshots are helpful and they have their place, but whenever it's a wall of text, whether it's console output, serial numbers, error messages, host IDs, copy and paste as text. And when you're sending us support tickets or you're calling us up, always have these kinds of detailed pieces of information available. So your version numbers, your serial numbers, host ID, date codes if it's a product that has a visible date code on it. These normally match up with known issues. If we know of particular issues with certain products, normally they'll match up with a date code or a series of serial numbers. So these pieces of information are also super helpful for us. And if you need an RMA, so you have a product that you think is defective, there's a major issue with it, and you need a replacement, the only way you're going to be able to get that replacement done is if you have a tsupport ticket number. That could be through a phone call that we create that on the back end, or if you open up a ticket with us, it'll automatically create that ticket number. We typically have to go to a manufacturer to get that RMA approved. So all of that data behind the scenes is set up through the ticket number, and the paperwork that needs to be filed within the company requires that ticket number. So if you need an RMA, make sure you've got the ticket number. That does it really for the kinds of things that we're looking for to help you get your problem solved and help us do it for you faster. So hopefully that's a little bit informative for you. If you have any questions or anything, you can leave them in the comments or shoot us an email at that tsupport email. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.